So here in this video, we are just going to solve the question number 18. From here up to this, we have already learned what to do. Here, this file tutor.csv. This file is provided by Cambridge, and we have to do this thing. Means DDMMYY format. We have to write the text and we have to merge the cell. So after getting the question, you all will do one thing. First, you will just try to understand that what to do, and step by step you follow. Tutor that means here I can say that tutor.csv is actually one Excel file. So open it. Okay, let us see that how it looks like. And after opening, you have to just step one. You have to format pension. You have to format pension, and you have to do one thing. You have to merge cell. These are the two main things we have to do. So we are solving question number 18. This question we are solving in this video. So here we are just going to see that what is that called. Okay, so let me clear all the drawings. So this file is already open. I have downloaded it from their official website, and first we will read every data from here. Okay, so they tell us one thing, that in the A1 cell, I have to write what Tawara University list of course of tutoring. Okay, so we will just copy this thing from here. And here in the A1 cell, we will just paste it. And what they told, from A1 to M1 means up to this, we have to just merge the cells. So we first select it, and from the home tab, you will just don't do merge and center. You will just do merge cells. Okay, so your cells are marched, not marched over here. So let me first select this in one, and here we will merge the cells. Yes, now it is merged. Okay, one job is done. Now here we can see that the start day and start month and start year is in a different format, right? So we have to write those things in the DDMMYY format. Okay, so here first we will merge these three cells, and we will merge these three cells first. So let us merge it. So here we will write date of joining. So they are wanting in which format. First we will see. Here they are just wanting DDMMYY format, but that means date, month, and year format. So here this is the pretty easy because here we are going to use the date function. Okay. So first we will just select only for this thing. Okay, this row. Here the address is 5 and HIJ continuously. Now here we are just going to write date function date. Here first you will just put the year, month, day format is there. So first we will just choose the year, and this is the year. After that put one comma. After that month, here this is the month. Okay. After again put one comma over here. Okay. So this is the after putting comma, this is the day. Okay. So here it is entered automatically, and put the bracket and press enter. So the date has come. Date has come in the format date, month, and year format. If it is not coming like that, you just to do one thing. You can just format cells over here. If any other format is wanting over here. Okay, so when it is done, we will just choose our, we will drag our mouse by just left clicking, and up to end 46 it is in. We have just completed, and we have just got the, this is the date of joining. Let's see the what is the question over here. The question was started the employment. Yes, that is here we will just got all the date of starting employment. Okay, and here one thing they tell us to do here. What they told us to do, let us see. Few things are still left. So they tell the center align the contents of the cell, apply appropriate formatting to this cell. Appropriate formatting means, since this is kind of a heading, we will just bold it and underline it and just make it a little bigger so that our spreadsheet looks very, very nice. So here we will just select it, this enter big cell, and here we can just center align it by this. Also we just bold it. This is Calipari. I just change it with more professional look. I want Times New Roman over here. Okay, so let's find that thing. PQRST, yes, Times New Roman I have found out. And a little bigger, since this is a heading. I have just used this thing. And after doing this thing, you need to save it. Okay, so saving is very much easy. Go to file and save. Okay, nothing else, and you need to show it to your invigilator. I hope that all the things you will understand by this video. Okay, if any problem is there, you can just ask me. Thank you very much for watching. And today, yes, we got 3 marks. We answered 3 marks question from our study. I'm hoping that by day, we will do more progress. Thank you very much for watching.